YouTube? It's DB Productions here, and today we have another stash update for 2024 season. Now, this year's stash update is a little weird because we will be buying stuff for some shows that we have, but we don't really have anything planned for the 4th of July this year. It's just a few shows that I have throughout the year. One isn't until September and one is this month. So, and of course, if I feel like I want to do anything, I'll have some extras. But first thing, my woman picked out some smoke balls. She loves them. Had to go get some classic smoke balls. And then moving on, we have two of these It's a Girl for a gender reveal that I have coming up. We actually got two It's a Boy as well. They're fountains. In case, I got them just in case, just to see who is, what is what, essentially. Like, we don't know the gender yet, so if it's a girl, we'll use these two. If it's a boy, we'll use those two. But, yeah. Then moving on, we did pick up a couple 200-gram cakes. First one we got was Cover Your Ears, 7 shots by World Class. I grew up lighting all these fireworks off, and I remember getting these for really cheap and it being a really good thing. At it again, another one, classic by World Class, and Evil, another classic by World Class. So total, we got those 3, and then we picked out a Martin Bombers as well. That was unique. And then I picked up one more item here. I saw it, found it really unique. Yeah, so these are what I believe they're sunflowers, but as you can see, they're actually called unflowers. And this is really old DOT fireworks. As you can see, this is made in Guangxi, China. I think I'm saying that right, but it has the UNO on it. Yep, sunflower, large sunflower size. But Chinese fireworks. I found it really unique that they actually had some of these. I have not seen these forever, so I picked up it. It was only $3, and they had hundreds of them. So I was like, that's really unique. And to use it for an upcoming video. But yeah, so that's just a little stash update. I think that's all I have for you for right now, but we got more videos coming out shortly. We got some demos coming out, and of course this video and so forth. So if you enjoyed this, please take a second and subscribe. And yeah, so DB Productions out.